I know people are looking at me, they're like, who is she talking to? And why is this water bottle propping up her phone? For the first time in over 2 decades, it's over $6 a pound. Good morning, y'all. Happy Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd. I cannot believe that we have already made it through July pretty much. Whew, it is hot, y'all. It is 11:23. I left my watch at home. I was in a rush. I need to get back before my next meeting, but I needed to run to Publix. I'm making chili tonight. And y'all, I made it this way last time. I added ground beef and Tennessee Pride sausage. Y'all, it was a game changer. My husband absolutely loved it and requests that I make it like that every time. So I'm gonna run in here real quick. I use pinto beans in my chili and black beans because I'm not really a fan of the kidney beans. Plus, it really messes with my husband's stomach. He's lactose intolerant, but he has a very sensitive stomach, and certain beans, kidney beans being one of them, really messes with him. And I just don't really care for the kidney beans too much. I know people are looking at me, they're like, who is she talking to? And why is this water bottle propping up her phone? Y'all, I had to order another USB cord for my camera. It just stopped working. I can't upload any of my footage on my Mac. So I can wait. It's coming tomorrow, thank goodness. So I'll just have to wait to transfer some footage from my camera to my Mac and edit and get that video up for you guys too. But I am using my phone now. So let me run in here, y'all. I just need to get the beans and I need to get the Tennessee Pride sausage. I have everything else at home. I don't think I need anything else. Y'all, stuff is so high, it's ridiculous. And you know, we're trying to cut back on using a lot of ground beef. The prices are crazy. I know they said on the news, it was like for the first time in over 2 decades, it's over $6 a pound. Now tell me that's craziness. We have to pray for this country, y'all. So I want to say, I don't get into much politics here, but you already know where I'm going with it, okay? But let me run in here, y'all, and I will be right back. Over the last few days, and the grass is looking a lot better, surprisingly. Believe it or not, the camera may not do it any justice, but it looks so much better. It's not as bright. So it's supposed to rain today, y'all, but we're supposed to get to 105, so that's not good. Layla's taking care of her business, and then I'm gonna get back to some work. All right, guys, I'm back home. Hold on, let me turn down this TV. All right, y'all, I am back. So I'm back in from the store. I got my few items that I told you. I'm proud of myself. Well, I did get me a Snickers bar. That was not on the list, but I got it. I figured I'd treat myself, y'all. I worked out hard yesterday. So I got my can of black beans, girl. If you don't know, please know I'm all about generic brand, okay? And I wish I had time to go to Walmart because they're probably even cheaper, but this was 87 cents, so not complaining. Same as these, I think, pinto beans. We'll look at the receipt. And I got my sausage here, Tennessee Pride. I got mild for today's chili, but you can get spicy. I really can't tell a difference, to be honest, but let me put this in the fridge. I'm waiting on my ground beef to thaw. So I did that, and I'm gonna make it easy today. Just use my McCormick's packets. Then I have my tomato paste in there. I got my onion, and I think I even have bell pepper. Yes, I think I got an extra one, thank goodness. But all of this was $9.02. If I can share anything on here. Yep, $9.02, y'all. That's pretty high for just 3 items. This alone was like $5 or $6. And then the 87 cents, you know, plus tax and all that. And plus my little candy bar. Let me put this up. Y'all, it is so hot outside. And I know my husband brought to my attention that the Tennessee Titans first, was it training day or training camp or practice or something? Practice is today. And y'all, today is one of the hottest days yet here. Like I said earlier, I think it's 100, it's gonna feel like 107. Probably hotter than that by the time they practice, but I'm a cowgirl, okay? I'm a Cowboys, Dallas Cowboys fan. Let me know in the comment section if you all like sports, specifically football. So y'all, you know we just got back from our trip, right, from Chicago. So we are trying to schedule our next trip. We usually take 3 trips a year, just mini ones. They're not international or anything. But we already had the beach, and then we went to our favorite city, Chicago. I kind of want to go back to New York City, but we just went last year for my 50th birthday. These are the options. New York again, which you probably won't, but I love New York City, y'all. Love it. Dallas is pretty much the next one, which will most likely be the trip we take. And then definitely Miami. Miami's one you need to plan out because that's kind of a pricey trip. And I just don't know. I mean, I would prefer to go when we try to go in September. That's when we're taking our next vacation. And it's a little less pricey around that time because it's post-summer and it's going into fall. But I think we're going to plan that for next year. We'll see. We'll see. But we're going somewhere, y'all. We're going somewhere. My husband's already getting the travel itch again, and we just got back. Let me get back up here, y'all. I have a meeting. What time is it? It is 12:28 p.m. I have a meeting at 1 p.m. So I need to go ahead and get situated. Who is this? Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm checking my work phone because my laptop's upstairs. All right, but I'm gonna get back to work, y'all, and I will catch you later. And then I'll probably bring you along while I cook this chili later.